Hello everyone and welcome back to DFMTV. I am Dan the Fire Stick Man, your source for entertainment. And unfortunately I have to deliver to you guys some very bad and devastating news. And before you guys click away after you hear the news, I will say that if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will be giving you some information that may benefit you if you choose it to. I've lost something that's very dear to me, something that started the journey with me on social media and every platform that I've been in, and now that it's no longer with me, I feel that I need to let you guys know what happened and what I'm doing moving forward. And that is that my LED hat no longer works. Again, don't click away just yet. Hear me out. This is no joke. When I purchased the hat that said Dan the Fire Stick Man going across it, it was as a joke. And I tried it for my videos. People liked it. The comments on it were great about the hat. Whenever I didn't wear the hat, you guys were asking me, wear the hat? Where is the hat? And it became part of my image here on YouTube and every platform that I'm in. So now that it doesn't work after 4 years, I've had this since 2018. And after 4 years of it, of testing it out and using it almost every day, and finally come to an end, I can honestly speak volumes for this particular hat. So it's something that I encourage you to get for yourself. Now you may ask yourself, why would I get a hat that is now not working? Well, the battery on it lasts almost forever. I have to charge it every once in a while. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, and the only reason that it doesn't work now is because of me taking it on and off over 4 years. One of the little wires for the LED slip came off of it. And that's the reason it doesn't work no more. If I was good at soldering that I didn't feel I was going to set the hat on fire, I could probably fix it. But because it's been a good hat and I don't want to damage it, I just got to take it that the wire got loose. I am going to retire the hat, and I'm probably going to bury it in my backyard because it means so much to me. It's close to my heart. That way I can go back there and give it its proper respect. Okay? So I am going to retire the hat, guys. But don't worry. I have ordered the twin brother. It's going to be here this afternoon sometime. But it's a great product, and I'm not sponsored by anyone here, okay guys, but I do have to mention that after 4 years of testing this hat, I highly recommend it, especially right before Mother's Day. You can put on here world's greatest mom, and you can get it for your kids, you can get it for a loved one, you can get it for a friend. It works in conjunction with an application that has a lot of graphics. The colors are solid, but they do offer 4 colors. The colors is blue, red, green, and white. I obviously got the blue one, but at this point, I think I'm going to get the whole set. I'm going to get all 4 of the colors so I can have the whole collection here because I'm very impressed with it. They make a good product. The link is going to be in the description of this video. That is going to be an affiliate link. But guys, I recommend it. The price on it is $25, and it's going to go a long way. So if you like LED lights and everything, and you like it on a hat, I recommend this particular hat because it's going to last you a long time. So before I let you guys go, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. Let me know if you got the hat. How do you like it? It's working out for you. Love to hear your feedback on that. And don't forget that you have been watching DFMTV, and I am Dan the Fire Stick Man, your source for entertainment. And until the next video, happy streaming.